A credit card payment can be placed on hold due to various reasons. If you have delayed making a payment or exceeded your credit limit, the credit card company may initiate an administrative hold. To remove this hold, you must make on-time payments for a specified period or pay down the current balance. Another type of hold is an authorization hold, which is initiated when a business verifies the validity of your card and checks if it has sufficient credit. The card issuer temporarily stops payments from your card until the transaction is approved, preventing fraud and ensuring sufficient funds are available to pay the final bill. If your credit card payment is on hold, it is advisable to wait for the issuer to remove the authorization hold once the transaction is approved. However, if it is an administrative hold, paying the existing balance will lift the hold. Essentially, a credit card payment is put on hold to prevent issues such as fraud or insufficient funds. And resolving the issue typically involves either waiting for approval or paying the outstanding balance.